probably won't wreck again, but we'll see. Get her back! Call my mom.
So, walk us through it, man.
Tell everybody why. We'll edit out all the crying. We'll cut out the crying.
I was doing a wheelie.
Oh, you got to. You have to ride it again. You have to ride it again. Careful, not so much throttle. You can't just quit. That's not a clutch, it's a brake. Stop grabbing the brake. Try dumping her. That's the brake.
No, I was trying to hold it. I didn't expect her to.
I told you, it goes to quitting the gas.
I'm not trying to. Damn, I'm grabbing the brake, dude.
You'll get used to it. Yeah, dude, the balance point's way up there, right?
The power.
That's how you make sure the chain's properly adjusted.
I'll fucking slap that cat. I'll slap.
The nerve to say, take this job and shove it.